hose is kind of tangly. So this is gonna dribble. It's gonna get a big puddle in there. But watch, I twist the hose back because I don't want it to not be seated right. So I twist it back the wrong way a little bit and then put it in, and it wants to twist clockwise. So if I twist the thing counterclockwise a little bit, then when I put it in, it naturally goes into super tight mode.
And this is a special little fitting you can buy.
So twist it back. Just twist it back so then it goes back this way. Now it's really latched on and on. The water's off, turned on at the hose, and then just put this in. Oh, the battery on. Then you verify, what if that's wrong? What if there's something wrong? So you sit here, you just kind of like make sure that within a second or two, the water starts coming out. Okay? Then you want to make sure that the water comes out right there. Okay? See that? Yeah. That's the engine block. All those other hoses are just exhaust. But that one's last. The last one to get some heart into it. So now I just kind of like look at the volume, and I'm like, that's not a lot of engine block volume. Okay. Supposed to run it without resistance on the prop. The resistance of the water on the prop makes it basically just be safe to run.